Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today we're doing our 2021 recap video.
This has been absolutely our busiest, craziest, most fun year here at CJC Off-Road. We have you guys to thank, so we appreciate all the business and all the support. But basically, we were looking back over the year and we decided, hey, let's show our absolute favorite trucks we've put through our shop here at CJC Off-Road.
Yep, so what you're going to see here today is the top 5 trucks that we have built and actually have video footage of. So check it out. We've got some really cool clips showing all the different wheels, the different suspension systems, lights, and all the things we have to offer for the Ram and Ford diesel trucks.
Coming in at number 5, we have this 2019 Plus Ram Dually. This is a truck that's actually quite similar to some of the other videos you've seen on here. This particular build happened to jump out at us. This truck is a mega cab short bed dually. Has a Carli pin top, fully loaded air assist system, black powder coated Alcoa wheels, and 37 125017 Toyo RTs. It also features all the Baja Designs light upgrades that we offer, and again, just a super clean, functional build.
So there's something just right about the mega cab, the 37s, being a dually. This truck again has the factory air assist suspension, so it really is a very good Swiss Army knife. It looks good, it rides extremely good around town. This customer uses it to haul like heavy car trailers, horse trailers, things like that. So it's just a really cool Swiss Army knife of a build that we're really happy to be a part of. Next up, we have my 2021 F-250 trimmer. Now, last time you guys saw this truck, it was rolling on the Carli suspension leveling system, the most basic system. I was really stoked to put that kit on my truck because it's something that is always in stock. It rides really good. It's extremely affordable, especially considering just how much tires are costing these days. It's a super cool system. But, you know, recently you guys haven't seen any videos on that truck. That's because it's actually spent a lot of time on Carli suspension. If you do follow any of us on social media, you may have seen some mentions of a new e-Venture system. We're gonna be doing a ton of photos on that in the new year. So I was actually fortunate enough to have that system prototyped on my truck. The beauty of these Carli suspension systems is I had the most basic system, and now I have, I guess you could say, the top of the line system on the truck, and all it took was a shock package change. So I was really pumped. The Innovate G500s, the 18s, going with like all black gloss powder coat finish this time on the 37-inch ridge grapplers. Super pumped with the combination, and I'm fortunate enough to drive it every sintle day.
Well, basically I'm still going to include Cody's truck on this list. The amount of phone calls, emails, and just general social media feedback we received from this build was just incredible. And so with the amount of builds that this truck inspired, perhaps it was the color of the truck, whatever it was, we felt it was a must to include on this list. Number 3 for this list, we have this Ram 3500 long bed. This is going to be the only long bed on our entire build list for today. This is a regular customer of ours, and he consistently builds cool trucks. This truck is no exception. Brand new 3500 crew cab long bed, Carli Dominator system, gold Innovate wheels, 37-inch Toyo MTs, all the Carli options, all the Baja Designs lighting options, a CJC Off-Road intercooler guard. Basically, the entire catalog was thrown at this build, and we feel that the unique color combination, the gray and the gold, just really made for an outstanding build.
Yeah, probably the coolest combination is the fact that if you go deep on our archives, you'll see a blue service body chase truck with some gold Innovates on it as well. This is actually the same owner who's working on putting together a race team, so it really is a super cool build. It's super clean, very functional, and actually we should be able to do some more footage on that truck shortly. So I think this one definitely was probably the baddest long bed we did this year, so it can definitely take that top spot as well. All right, next on the list is going to be another Ford. We actually fairly recently did a video on this. This was an out-of-town, fully equipped 4.5 pin top system. We went with the black anodized shocks, black Innovate wheels, 37-inch Nitto ridge grapplers. Just an all-around good-looking setup. I really do think these setups, you used to see a ton of 10-inch lifted Super Duties back in the early 2000s. The current platform with the 4.5-inch kit looks right at home with 37s or 38s. It's a good looking setup. It still rides well. This customer with a long travel airbag, so we can still haul. Just an all-around killer build.
This one really goes to show the correct wheel and tire combination really makes the build. The innovates on this truck just pop. Absolutely love how it turned out. And again, even though most of these trucks are level height trucks with 37s, 37s can look right at home on the 4.5 as this build shows. And for the number 1 spot, we have this killer black mega cab featuring a Carli pentop system. This is actually really neat because it's a Longhorn model truck, so it has that really cool brown interior in it that you don't normally see on these. Carli pentop system, travel-ready 20-inch wheels, 37-inch tires. Again, all the Baja Designs lighting, CJC intercooler guard, all the cool mods basically ran out this build, and it just looks amazing.
Yeah, I think really another cool thing about this build is this customer threw his own spin on things. He had like custom headlights, custom taillights, some interior modifications done, a few things painted and matched on the truck. So it really was a cool personalized build, kind of similar to what we did on Cole's truck a couple years ago. A few unique accents that he added himself. It came to us, did some suspension and some other upgrades, and just made for a really cool street truck. Yeah, if this customer ever wants to scratch up his new paint, he can actually basically go and jump this truck and have a ton of fun. So that basically wraps up our 2021 video. We're extremely appreciative of you guys. Again, as we've talked about in some of the videos, we started in our driveway many years ago, and it has turned into something that is oh so cool to work with. It is truly a privilege to work with you guys. We talk to you guys on the phone daily. We made a lot of friends all across the country, and we're just really thankful for you guys out there.
But we're not stopping here. There's a lot of exciting things to look forward to next year. So again, we appreciate all the support, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.
See you guys next year.
We had so much feedback.
Oh God. I might need to tell Ash I'll be home at 5:30 tonight. Blah, 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 feedback. Why are you bumping me? I'm fine. He's like, stop, man, get it together. Yeah, get it together. You're embarrassing both of us.